In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation, creating a social media post, or designing graphics, adding text is a fundamental part of your design process. So let's get started with the basics. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you have an account, click on the login button located in the upper right corner of the page. You can choose to log in using your credentials via Google, Facebook, or your email. If you're new to Canva, you can easily create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've logged in, it's time to choose the project you want to work with. This could be a new design or an ongoing one that you've already saved in your Canva library. After opening your project, take a glance at the left sidebar and click on the text option. This will open up a range of text options for you to pick from. Now the fun part begins. You'll see options like add a heading, add a subheading, or just add a body text. Click on whichever suits your needs best. Alternatively, if you prefer shortcuts, simply press the T key on your keyboard to add a text box directly into your design. It's a nifty little trick that saves you a bit of time. Once your text box appears on the design, click inside it to start typing away. But don't stop there. Canva offers a wealth of formatting tools to ensure your text looks exactly how you want it to. Direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the editor. Here you can select from various fonts, adjust the size of your text, and even apply effects like bold, italics, underline, or strike through. This toolbar is your one-stop shop for styling your text. But why stop at basic styling? Canva also allows you to dive deeper into customization. You can change the text color, add background colors or shadows, and even use the text effects feature to curve your text, adding a creative twist to your design. Make sure to play around with the alignment and spacing between letters and paragraphs until you achieve the layout that best represents your vision. Finally, after perfecting the text style, it's time to position it on your canvas. Simply drag and drop the text box to place it exactly where you want it on your design. This drag and drop simplicity truly makes Canva a user-friendly tool for everyone. And just like that, you've mastered the art of adding text in Canva. You can now create clean, stylish, and professional designs with ease. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this quick guide enhances your Canva experience.